Okay, good morning everybody. I'm on my way to Leurs, a garden center, and I got my special bike with me, and this is where our new stadium is coming. So it's going to be a long ride. I have to blow up balloons and do my other thing, but for now it's a good ride, but it's tough uphill on a bike like this. So I'll see you in a bit. We're almost there after a relaxing bike ride on my special bike. So, but I only have to start at 12:30 or something, so I have time enough to show you inside of there. I'll show you the fish part and that sort of stuff. I'll see you in a bit when I'm there. So Lucas is over here, and this is the bike that I'm riding. It's a real nice bike. You can't drive fast on it, but oh yeah, it's fun. Okay everybody,
So
look,
see you in a bit.
this is our spot, and look where we're standing next to. All those old timers. I'll show you a close by clip when I'm done. Is that a sturgeon? Okay, and here outside, look. Is this an old timer or isn't it? This one is built in 1910. I think the other ones are too, but I'll see you in a bit. Today. I'm really tired right now, and yeah, it was a fun day. Blew up balloons for about 5 hours, or 4.5 actually. But yeah, that's what I do. So I'll see you in a bit when I'm on my way back home. Yeah, I'm on my way back now, but first I have to get rid of this one. So I'll see you in a bit.